Hey, come on in. This is our new home for 9 days. I'm just kidding, guys. Alright, guys, this is Airbnb. I'll show you guys a tour if you guys planning to stay here. This is San Diego. It's located in Mira Mesa. It looks beautiful. 3-bedroom house. Come on in, guys. Okay, when I enter, you guys can see nice living room with furniture. They have a Netflix account already set up for us. I'll show you guys because this is really cool. If you're planning to stay here, the Netflix came with it, and I really like that for free. I will say this is pretty cool. Look at this, Burlington Living. Yeah. So okay. Ta-da!
Wow.
So you guys can see Netflix already included. How many days you were planning to stay? There is a nice 2 coffee table on the side, one here, and here they write down all the instructions and they write it down what to do, what not to do, what the temperature. They have a nice pictures here. I might close the TV, sorry guys. So you can check in 12 o'clock, I think 3 p.m. Sorry, you can check in 3 p.m. We got here 1 o'clock, but we went to my mother-in-law's house. We ate dinner, we spent a little time there, and it's already 9 o'clock. So very clean, looking good, no smell. This is the kitchen. Let me see if I can turn on the light. I don't know what is the light for. Yeah. Oh, there you go. There's a light here. Wait, this is 7:50, not 9 o'clock. Sorry, my bad guys. This is 7:50, not 9 o'clock. Oh, by the way, look at this. My wife, me, and fix it together. So, very nice setup, nice kitchen, stove, there's a knives, all the full kitchen setup. It comes with a Keurig coffee machine, and they have a rice pot, stew pot. I can roast there, baby. All the small spoons, utensils. They have a rice pot. You can cook rice, or you can broil. And they have a dish soap comes with it. There's all kitchen items, all the small utensils for small family, all the dishes. I'm just gonna hurry it up, guys. Sorry, because it's like look basic stuff. I really like this one, like a tomato can, salt, oil. This all comes with it. Cool. I like this one. There's a pot. There's a Wi-Fi. Fridge is empty. Wow, they have some ice. But basic stuff is there. I think the previous people they left it. Wait, like gummies.
This is really cool.
All the basic stuff here, guys.
Wow.
What? Wow. Mindfulness cards to play. They have a small play area here, play setup here. Wow.
Can't believe it.
Alright guys, kitchen is nice. I love it. Very beautiful. Everything set up nice. And they have a small area here. I always like this area, guys.
The little
This area, I like this, so I can do my setup, my kitchen. And I can put it up here, I can set it up here. When we want to do videos, I want to do these videos when we buy a house. So yeah, this is a small, the closet. They put all the vacuum and iron and all kinds of stuff here. All the basic stuff. I'm gonna quick it up, guys. Garage with a ping pong table, small pool table, and the football and all kind of stuff is there, small games. Nice. Free washer and dryer. And nice drawing, nice picture. This is one bathroom. Basic. It comes with towels and stuff. One bedroom. Look at these guys. They have closet. In the one bedroom, fully set it up. They looks good. Nice bed. We have the second bedroom. So here, extra clothes, extra blanket, extra pillow covers, all kind of stuff like toilet paper. And this is the second room. Same thing, extra blankets, pillow cover, hanger, closet, same. There's alarm clock. And this is a master bedroom. We love here. Look at this guy. This is really nice. It comes with the same thing, closet, blanket, extra blankets, extra pillows, and this is another bathroom, attached bathroom.
Yeah, I'm recording, so but yeah, this is really cool. Wow. Oh, I love the black tile. Look at this. Nice. Oh, not bad. I mean,
Yeah,
if
it's
we
good,
were
right?
able to rent the hotel, I don't think we will be able to have all these amenities.
This is our small Airbnb tour where we're going to stay for next 9 days. Also, it comes to the backyard.
I know, we forgot to show them.
So now, look at this guy. Very nice.
Wow.
This is very nice, guys. Well, let's go hop inside. In the kitchen, I forgot to mention you guys, there's a dishwasher. This is a full house setup, very nice looking. I really like this place. We're going to stay next 9 days or 10 days, right?
Yes. Hey guys, so this is the outside of the house. We were staying here in San Diego, California, in Mira Mesa. Just wanted to show you guys a little bit of backyard, how beautiful this place is. Nice, huge place for kids to play around. So Kyle and his friend were just playing around here. I'm gonna show you in the back. So beautiful. Look at Kyle right here. Oh, it's so dark. Oh, this is so cool. I love this. Hey, Kyle. Are you happy to see my best friend?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Look at you.
And enjoying this beautiful weather of San Diego.
Let me go.
She's so happy this weather, right? Oh my gosh. She's gonna miss this place when she go back to San Antonio.
So, I hope you guys like this tour. If you guys planning to stay this area to Airbnb, consider this place. I hope you guys like this video. We will see you guys in next video. Bye bye guys.